Alright, today we're going to be doing the Mixolydian mode. It's number 5. We're being extra quiet today because the kiddos are asleep, so acoustic guitar, low voices. Hope you guys can hear me alright. We're going to be playing the Mixolydian scale. It's the 5th mode. It's the sound of rock, as Rick Beato says. We're going to play it in B today, and that's going to be the root, and that'll be on your 7th fret, and I'll play through it one time with you. And it's kind of the sound of the Grateful Dead. U2 plays some songs in the Mixolydian mode, and then the Beatles. Great sounds of the Beatles. I can't really play these songs for you because of the copyright and everything, but I can give you a little riff that is in Mixolydian that you might recognize. So you can tell it's got the bright, happy major sound, but that minor 7. I like this mode. It's a good sounding mode. It's a great way that you can play in the major scale and not just sound like you're playing the major scale. You can sound like you're playing something with a little bit of more flavor. So I'll bring you in here to a close-up, and we can look at the pattern there. You can see the first 3 strings are all matching big whole steps, and then kind of almost a similar pattern to the Lydian mode, except on the your high E string, it's a half step at the end there instead of a full step. So Mixolydian. And thanks for watching.